Hey pack leaders, this is Hannah. Friends are protecting families, but we're protecting the pack. I want to give you guys a new setting that's doing really well. I think I'll go ahead and give you the 4 tested one. And here it is. So actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and give you this one. This is a live 4 tested one that's doing very well. And it's a sideways setting. It's been shorting and longing where it needs to long and short. Pulling the best percentage so far, 75%, currently in a 10% position. Now the other one that's a bull market, it's performing, but not as good as the sideways because it's just taking advantage of all sides. So go ahead and take this setting right now. Long short setting map signals. Long, you put no position there. 0.1 for buy and sell. 5 minutes there. And then there's your BB, RSI, and MACD. Okay, go ahead and take these settings and see how they work for you. Let's look at the analyzer, see what it's doing. It's just short of that, long of that, and now it's somewhere here, I guess. So it's just growing steadily over time. That's just coming up here. Short, long, took that, short of that, long that. So it's just been doing really well. Alright guys, thanks. Talk to you then.